Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll show how to use virtual models. Virtual models in Ruly are a type of model that is not bound to any views. Instead, it captures fields on a form. Regular forms, when opened, are bound to a data record, and when changes are made, the changes update that record. A virtual model is, however, not directly linked to a data table, and the gathered information is not saved. It behaves like a temporary pop-up form to collect data for rules. Usages of virtual models include gathering the params to kickstart processes like data transformation, sending emails, or fetching data. In this example, I want a screen to import data from another system with an API call. To do this, I'll need the virtual model to retrieve filters of the import, the date frame, and the employee. Let's go to the employee list to see how this works. I have this Import Data button. Let's edit the button to see more. I have an open form operation linked to this button and also linked to my virtual model. Let's try clicking the button. Here we see it opens the form from the virtual model. Let's go to the rules page to see the rule I created linked to the virtual model. I've created a rule that triggers when an import data option is created. I have an update operation linked to this rule with a calculation to evaluate a calculated field. A special string with the employee number for the selected employee to be used in the following API call. I have also created an API operation linked to this rule. This operation imports with a GET call from a different Ruly environment. The URL is configured to filter using merge fields from and to, as well as the employee number we created in the previous operation. For each fetched record, we create a new record in Ruly with these mappings. Let's go back to the employee list to demonstrate how this works. But first, let's see the data from the other Ruly environment. This is the data that our virtual model will be importing. Here we are back on the employee list in our original environment. I'll click on the Import Data button, and I'll select a specific employee. And I'll populate the to and from. Now let's click the Fetch Data button. Here we see there is a new card showing the imported records that match the selected data on the virtual model form. As you can see, the sublist is filtered by the filters on the virtual form. Thanks for watching.